After the Mysore Wars, the East India Company began to believe that the Madras army was now fully under its control. But the situation was far from calm. Beneath the surface, discontent was quietly simmering. And amid this growing tension, the Vellore mutiny erupted, forcing British rule to rethink its assumptions. After the Mysore Wars, members of Tipu Sultan's family were imprisoned in the Vellore fort. At the same time, the British imposed a new dress code for Indian sepoys. Wearing a European-style hat instead of the traditional turban was made compulsory. And religious symbols like the tilak on the forehead or keeping a beard were banned. Indian soldiers saw this as a direct attack on their religious beliefs and cultural traditions. Along with this, they faced racial discrimination, which caused resentment to grow day by day. Finally, on the midnight of 10th July 1806, the spark ignited. Indian sepoys rose in revolt, attacked British barricades, and killed more than 14 British officers and 115 soldiers of the 69th Regiment. The rebels captured the Vellore fort, hoisted the flag of the Mysore Sultanate, and declared Tipu Sultan's son as the king. Within a few hours, the entire system had been turned upside down. But the company's response was even more brutal. By morning, heavy artillery and cavalry arrived from Madras. The fort was surrounded. Shelling began and around 350 sepoys were blown apart by cannons. Many others were arrested and executed mercilessly. Although the Vellore mutiny failed, it was one of the earliest major military uprisings in India, laying the foundation for future rebellions. This topic is highly related to UPSC GS Paper 1 Indian History. Now here's a question for you. When did the Paika rebellion break out and it happened in which year? Do let me know in the comment section below.